A very happy good morning to fathers, sisters, and teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Abbas Shora from Standard 8C. Prayer. A day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. So, I request all of you to stand up and take the prayer position.
Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. In simplicity, charity I follow. In simplicity, charity I follow. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. Like a sunflower that follows every movement of the sun. So I turn towards you to follow you, my God. Eternal God, creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty, and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly, and to move my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torchbearer of your wisdom. Will be the light of the world, dispelling darkness around, like a star in the sky, guiding everyone in love, reforming our minds, reforming our hearts, imparting knowledge and wisdom. Hail, hail, Saint Mary's School, or a true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, hail, Saint Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, we stands for your name. Fill us, Lord, with the joy and praises. Turn us into your angels. Be with us in all your strivings, guiding everyone in love. Together we pray, together we learn, to be the light of knowledge and wisdom. Hail, O hail, Saint Mary's School, a true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, O hail, Saint Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, it stands for your name.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Now I request my friend for the thought of the day.
I myself, Vala Chahla from Standard 8C, standing here to say today's thought. If you need best out of others, you need to give yourself best. This means that if you want a best thing in life, if you want a better thing in life, you need to also work hard and give your best for that thing. Thank you.
Thank you very much and have a fantastic day.